Stop paying hundreds of dollars to create UGC ads because AI can now do this for you. Give it just one product image and you can turn it into realistic UGC videos with AI presenters actually holding, explaining, and promoting your product. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how I created ads like these. From food products to skincare, using a simple AI workflow. No actors, no studio, no expensive equipment, just your product image, the right prompt, and AI. Kindly click on the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment to get access to the website. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
When you click on the link, it's going to bring you straight here to the website. The first thing you're going to do is to sign up. All right, so you're going to sign up with your Gmail account. So I'm already signed up, so that is why it has brought me here. All right. With this website, you can be able to create UGC images. You can also create UGC video, UGC ad video. You have different type of UGC videos that you can create. You can also create an influencer, a talking video, motion video, a product video as well. You can also, create your own character that you can use, that you can always use for your videos. So for you to create your own influencer or a UGC video, you're first of all going to create your own character, which is the character that you are going to use for your video. All right, so then we're going to come over here to create UGC character. So you're going to click on it. So now you can start from the image. You can start creating your character from an image. You can also describe your character and it will be generated for you. You can also build your character and you can also generate an influencer. This is an influencer generator, so you can use either of them. Okay, so right here, I'm going to click on this box to upload my character. Okay. So our character is uploading. I'm going to enter the name of my character here. And I'm going to call this character Kayla. All right. And then I'm going to include a background story here, which is actually optional. All right. And then the background story, I'm going to paste my prompt here. So you can see now my reference image has been uploaded and the name is here. So for this model, we're going to be using Nano Banana Pro. Okay. You can also use GPT image too. All right, now I'm going to generate my character. So my character is generating. Okay, so our character is ready. You can see, yes, this is our character. So if you want to create a UGC video, we're going to go ahead to click on this. So we already have our character and we're going to choose her. So you can see in the place where you have add character, we already have our character here. So the next thing, I'm going to enter my prompt here. I want to create a tin tomato paste product ad. Sound effect, I'm going to put my sound effect on. Output 9:16. Okay, I'm going to choose, for the minutes, I'm going to go with 15 seconds and I'm going to choose the highest resolution. And I'm going to leave it at 720p. Okay, and you can choose your aspect ratio. So I'm going to leave it at 10 seconds and 720p, and then I'm going to go ahead and generate and wait for it to load. So while it's loading, I want to also generate 2 more product ad. So I'm going to just add my character and then paste. I'm going to put on the sound, and I'm going to leave this for 10 seconds as well. And then let's wait for this to generate before we go ahead to generate the second one. So my video is ready. Let's take a look. You can see this is nice. This is good. For this one, you can add a character. You can also add a reference or product image. But for this, I'm going to add a product image. So here, I'm going to upload a reference product. Then the next thing, you're going to click on this place right here. And then you're going to upload your image. Okay, so now I have my image. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to enter my prompt right here. So this is my prompt. And then I'm going to sound effect. I'm putting on the sound effect. And then for the output, I'm going with 9:16 as aspect ratio, 720p. And then for the duration, I'm going to go with 15 seconds. And then when all of this is done, I'm going to generate and wait for it to load. So here is our video. So the next thing, I want to generate a UGC ad video. Here we'll have our influencer talking about the product. So I'm going to come over to UGC ad video. So I'm going to upload our product. So we have our face cream product here. Then I'm going to come here again. It says add my influencer. So you can either add an influencer after creating yours, or you can select from the library. I'm going to select from the library. And here is a list of influencers that I can choose from. Okay, so you can see. So I'm going to use this influencer right here. I'm going to use this influencer. Okay, so then the next thing, I'm going to input my prompt. And here is my prompt. So the next thing, I'm going to add voice. Now you can either create your own sound, you can record your own sound, or you can upload an audio right here. But you can also choose from the selected voices that are on the website. Okay, so from the voices, I'm going to choose, okay, I'm going to go with English, an English female voice. I'm going to choose a female. So for you to customize your own voice, I've chosen English. Then you're going to scroll here. The gender you want, you're going to choose the gender from here. I'm going with female. And then for the age, I'm going to choose young. And then the style, I'm going to choose maybe excited. So it's going to bring out all the voice over that has these qualities that I just chose. Okay, so let's check them out.
Holy moly, guacamole! My cat. Hey, stop scrolling for a sec. Yeah, you. What's up, everyone? Big shout out to all my. Welcome to Ivana's podcast, where we dive deep, share stories.
So I think I'm going to go with this Ivana. All right, so I picked the voice that I want. Then I'm going to choose my aspect ratio. Okay, and that is it. So then we're going to generate. So our video is loading. So here is our video. Let's check it out.
If you're struggling with acne and dark spots, you need to see this. I finally found my holy grail. It's the Lumiere Clear Skin Cream. It has niacinamide and salicylic acid, gently fading those stubborn spots over time. I just massage a little bit every morning and night. The texture is so rich and deeply hydrating. My skin feels clearer, smoother, and the tone is so much more even now. Seriously, guys, you have to give this a try. Grab yours today.
Wow, you can see how beautiful this is. Well, with this, we come to the end of this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful or you're going to be trying it out, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you can always get notified whenever I upload new video. And until I see you again in my next video. Bye.